The Lord may require of you a big sacrifice, but often he seeks for us to serve him during a painful, suffering season. It may be suffering through the pain of persecution. It may be suffering through a season of patience. It may be suffering to the point of exhaustion because you are proclaiming the word of God. Whatever it may be, the question that consistently comes back from this passage is, are you willing? Are you willing? Joshua 24:15 says, choose this day whom you will serve. Will you serve the Lord with exceeding gladness, no matter the pain? Or will you run for the hills at the first sign of trouble? Thinking more corporately as a whole church, what will we be, People's Church? Will we view persecution, the lack of knowledge of God's future plan for us, or exhaustion at the work that is coming our way as a time to moan, or even to pacify a lackluster service for him? Or will we see it as the very fuel from God to keep going, to keep doing, to keep serving, to keep praising?